Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jesse if you haven't been here. I'm gonna be doing a makeup look. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but we're gonna find out together. Alright, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe and leave a like, and if you want, leave a comment. I will be responding. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna go in with is my E.L.F. Matte Putty Primer. I don't know if you can see that. It's a really good primer. It's mattifying, like the thing says, but in my T-zone. After that, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Dewy Photofocus Foundation. I am in the shade Nude Ivory, and that is light neutral. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that out. For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with my E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And I am in the shade Light Ivory. I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes, on my T-zone, lip, chin, all the usual highlight places. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that all in. For powder today, I'm going to be going in with my Coty Airspun and Extra Coverage Translucent. And I'm just going to take my wet beauty blender and just pounce that in under my eyes. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face. I'm gonna go do my brows off camera, and I will be using the E.L.F. I'm gonna be using the E.L.F. Insta Lift Brow Pencil, and I'm gonna use the shade Neutral Brown. And I'll be right back with some brows, and we'll focus on the eyes. Alright guys, so I'm back with one eye done and my brows done. I think this look came out very nice. So I used the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. And let's get started. Alright, so the first shade I went in with this Revenge brush that I got from Amazon. And I'm gonna go into the shade. I'm gonna go into the shade Sweet and use that as my transition shade. After we laid that down, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and go into the shade Swarm in the palette. It's this beautiful kind of camel shade. The next shade I'm going to go into, I'm still going to use my Morphe M433 and I'm going to go into the shade Keeper. Going to use the Revenge brush that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to go into the shades Hive, Drip, and Sting. I'm going to go into Hive and Drip first and then add a little bit of Sting after. I'm going to grab this brush right here and I'm going to go into Hive, Drip, and add a Sting to that too. I'm going to take my E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in a flat concealer brush and just cut my lid. To cut my lid, I'm going to take the Naked Honey brush that came in the palette and use this flat end and dip into the shade Honey, which is this beautiful green gold shade. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this LA Splash Architects Waterproof Slim Liner and just do a wing. Next, I'm going to take this pencil brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter and just highlight my brow bone in a corner. I'm going to take this kind of flat, skinny eyeshadow brush and just dip in the shade Keeper, Hive, and Drip. And just put that run along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and just throw in a coat of mascara, and we'll be right back for lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Kish Triple Push-Up in the style Teddy. Alright guys, lashes are on, eyes are done. Beautiful gold smoky eye cut crease thing. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Morphe Lo-Fi 8L contour palette, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Donut. And I'm going to be using this Crown Brush contour brush. For blush today, I'm going to be using my Nars Orgasm blush. I'm going to quickly set my face with some Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. And right after, I'm going to take my Morphe M510 and my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and just highlight the high points of my face. For lips today, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood lipstick. And that, guys, is the completed makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!